Hello students, this is your IT class. It's a unit number 2 and name of the unit is data entry and keyboarding skills. Topic is working with lesson editor. The lesson editor window allows you to customize lessons. That is, you can add, change, import or export and remove courses and lessons and review each lesson's statistics. Various components of lesson editor window. First is taskbar. The taskbar allows you to select the keyboard layout and level of the lesson you would like to edit. Second is toolbar, which includes which includes basic lessons or lesson like lesson 1, lesson 2, and the toolbar contains buttons for adding, removing, inserting, and saving existing courses and lessons. Third one is navigation tree. This tree shows the existing lessons. Next one is text panel. The text panel is an area where you can edit text of the selected lesson. Next one is lesson matrices. This displays the number and percentage of words, characters, spaces, and specific characters in the lesson. Next is virtual keyboard. The virtual keyboard highlights characters which are used in the selected lesson. You can customize its appearance by F9 shortcut keys. These are the typing using the basic keys. This figure shows typing using shift key. Total there are 4 options: basic, shift keys, digit keys and numeric pad. This window shows type using digit key, and the last one is type using numeric keypad. Next topic is calculating the typing speed. Simple speed means gross speed and the net speed means takes into the account of the errors. The following table shows the typing speed types. First one is WPM. WPM means words per minute. Description is the number of words typed in a 1 minute. Formula is WPM is equal to words without errors plus words with errors divided by time spent in minutes. Next one is net WPM. The WPM without words with errors. Formula is net WPM is equal to WPM minus words with errors divided by time spent in minutes. Next one is CPM. CPM is its full form is characters per minute. The number of characters typed in 1 minute. Its formula is CPM is equal to characters without errors plus characters with errors divided by time spent in minutes. Next one is net CPM. Net CPM is equal to the CPM without characters with errors. Its formula is net CPM is equal to CPM minus character with errors divided by time spent in minutes. Next one is KPM. Its full form is keystrokes per minute. The number of keystrokes in a 1 minute. Its formula is KPM is equal to keystrokes without errors plus keystrokes with errors divided by time spent in minutes. Next one is net KPM. The KPM without keystrokes with errors. Its formula is net kpm is equal to kpm minus keystrokes with errors divided by time spent in minutes. Next one is, it's an example. A student typed 240 characters per 2 minutes. Means its speed is 120 characters per minute. Simple speed is equal to 240 characters divided by 2 minutes. It's equal to 120 cpm. Cpm means 120 characters per minute. Whereas the net speed is equal to 120 cpm minus, it's a formula. This one is the formula. Net speed is equal to cpm minus character with errors divided by time spent in minutes. So net speed is equal to 120 cpm minus 20 errors divided by 2. So 120 minus 10. Its answer is 110 net cpm. Next one is typing accuracy. The typing accuracy is defined as the percentage of correct entries out of the total entries typed. It's a table regarding typing speed. Accuracy in the words percent. Its formula is accuracy is equal to 100% minus words with errors multiplied by 100% divided by total number of words. Second one is accuracy in characters percent. Accuracy is equal to 100% minus characters with errors multiplied by 100 divided by total number of characters. Next is accuracy in the keystrokes percent. Accuracy is equal to 100% minus incorrect keystrokes multiplied by 100% divided by total number of words. Next one is typing rhythm. It's a table. Errors description is errors in the words percent. Its formula is error percentage is equal to words with errors multiplied by 100% divided by total number of words. Next one is errors in the characters percent. Error percentage is equal to errors multiplied by characters with errors multiplied by 100% and divide by total number of characters. Third one is errors in the keystroke percent. Errors percentage is equal to incorrect keystrokes multiplied by 100% divided by total number of keystrokes. Next one is, this table shows different formula for the slowdown percentage slowdowns calculation. This is the table. It's a description and formula. Slowdown in the words percent is, and its formula is slowdown percentage is equal to words with delay multiplied by 100% divided by total number of words. Next one is slowdown in the characters percent. Formula is slowdown percentage is equal to characters with delay multiplied by 100% divided by total number of characters. Next one is slowdown percentage in the keystroke percent. Its formula is slowdown percentage is equal to keystroke delay multiplied by 100% divided by total number of keystrokes. These are all description and the formula. Next is overall rating calculation. Overall rating calculation, its formula is overall rating percent is equal to net speed divided by course goal or speed multiplied by 100%. Next one is good typing speed. An average professional typist having speed 50 to 80 WPM. WPM means words per minute. Whereas some position can acquire 80 to 95 WPM. WPM means words per minute. Whereas some advanced typists having speed more than 120 WPM. WPM means words per minute. Next is the fastest typing speed on the alphanumeric keyboard. Alphanumeric means alphabet plus numeric keyboard. 216 words in a 1 minute was achieved by Stella Puja, Pujas in 1946. Next one is in 2005, writer Barbara Blackburn was the fastest alphanumerical English language typist in the world according to the Guinness Book of the World Records, and she maintained 150 WPM. WPM means words per minute for 50 minutes, and 170 WPM means words per minute for shorter periods. Her speed was 212 watt WPM. WPM is words per minute. I hope you cleared this lecture.